Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to try to recreate Chicheme Panameño or sweet corn drink. So let's begin. So chicheme is a traditional Panamanian corn drink, sweet corn drink, and it's made out of whole kernels. However, today I'm going to be using this brand and its recipe to try to make chicheme out of 100% ground corn. I'm starting off by adding 1.5 cups of the ground corn. Then I'm going to add 3 cups of water to my corn. I'm going to continue by adding in 1 cup of evaporated milk and 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. Next, according to the recipe, I'm going to add 1 stick of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So continuing with the recipe, our final ingredients are going to be 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 can or cup of condensed sweet milk. Now, I want to be honest with you guys, I am a little bit nervous because, as I mentioned, the original chicheme recipe is with whole corn kernels. So this is the first time that I'm going to try this with ground up corn. Hopefully we'll get the same consistency and we'll also get the same drink. We're going to place this over medium-high heat and we're going to be stirring it constantly, making sure that it does not stick. We're going to be cooking this for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the corn becomes tender. Again, this is not corn powder. This is corn that has been ground up coarsely, you could say. So as my chicheme is refrigerating overnight, I want to share with you guys pictures of what chicheme should look like. Just this delicious, soft and chewy corn chunks, velvety liquid texture, tasty and creamy flow. So let's see what I got compared to the original recipe. So after a full night of refrigeration, voila, this is what I got. I got chicheme porridge. So it's not exactly what I was expecting. I was expecting more of the beverage. However, I did get a delicious porridge out of it. It tastes exactly alike, but it is not the traditional Panamanian drink. I followed the instructions word per word, but this just proves that the instructions and the type of corn that I use and the type of corn that the brand is marketing will not give you the traditional Panamanian drink. So I am back with my trusty volunteer, and I just want to let you know, James, that I followed all the instructions of this chicheme, but for some reason I did not get the drink. What I got with this was this porridge. So I want you to tell all our viewers what you think about it and what it tastes like.
Okay, I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna tell you the taste. Oh my god, it's delicious. It's really good. This is like a, not like Panameño chicheme style, you know, but it's really, really good. It's sweet and I like it.
Okay, well then, did I pass the taste test?
Yeah, I give you 10.
Okay. Well, I love your honesty. And well, I want to thank everybody for watching this video. We had a little bit of a mishap, but it turned out awesome in the end. I will be back showing you the real version of Panamanian chicheme in the future. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and bye-bye.
Bye.